2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, fog lights, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.